Hi, good day. This is Jane of Sun Life, and today we will discuss one of the best plan perfect for retirement. But of course, there are also other plans that you can get for retirement purposes. But for today, we will discuss on Accelerate. This is a limited payment option plan that you can get for only 8 years to pay through annual, semi-annual, or quarterly mode. And the coverage is 20 years. So after 20 years, mature na itong policy. So why it's the best for me pang retirement? Kasi for example, 37 years old female ang kumuha. So by age 57, kukunin na niya yung mga benefits nitong plan. So ang annual na ginawa ko for her is 74,519 and 50 cents. 350,000 ang kanyang face amount. Pero ang death benefit nito is nag increase yearly. So for example, to year 1, 350,000, year 2, 406, year 3, and so forth. Until year 20, 1.4 million na yung coverage ng life insurance niya. So aside doon, kaya ito yung magandang pang-retirement. Ang total na mababayad ng client is 584,284 pesos sa loob ng 8 years. So since stop na nun, ayan. So 584,284 pero ang possible niyang makuha after ng maturity is 1,014,186 pesos. Ito yung tinatawag na total living benefit. So, ito, total living benefit. Okay, so yan po yun. 1,014 pesos. 186. So, kaya naging ganun, pinag-add po, more or less yan po ang makukuha. Pinag-add po ito, yung not guaranteed na illustrative accumulated special paid off bonus, 60,943. Illustrative accumulated dividend kapag hindi po nila kinukuha yung dividend na binibigay annually ng Sun Life start ng year 9, nagbibigay na po ang Sun Life. So ito, unang beses na nagbigay after year 9 ng policy. And then yearly na yon kapag hindi kinuha, ito nag-accumulate din. Yan. So 60 plus 172. Tapos yung endowment po niya, ito po guaranteed din na binibigay start ng 8 year, 10, 12, 14 hanggang year 20. May cash out po na pwedeng makuha automatic si client pero pwedeng ipunin para lumago. So yan. Kapag hindi siya nagbawas dito sa pag walang kabawasan po dito sa endowment na to, pwedeng i-keep lang kay Sun Life, pwedeng tumubo at pwedeng maging ito ang total niya. So, yan. And then, ito, mayroon din ang policy na to since this is a participating policy. Meron din siyang guaranteed cash value. So, ayan, 357,000. So, pinag-add-add po yan, kaya naging yan, 1 million. Yan po yung pwedeng kunin ng client pag mature na ang plan. So, tutubo siya more or less ng 429,902 pesos to. Po yung pwede niyang kitain sa loob ng um, 20 years. So, yun nga, um, habang insured siya, so naglalago din yung pera niya na pwede niyang gamitin for retirement. Kaya this one is one of the best plan that we can offer na pang-retirement. So, ayun. So, if interested, pwede ring taasan pa ang premium para mas lumaki pa ang mas malaki pa ang pwedeng gamitin for retirement. So, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me. Thank you for watching.